Jordan! Your daughter's in the house. I hope.
Hello everyone, it's Ryan, Silly Reviews. I noticed something pretty funny on a recent video I watched. Have you ever seen the movie The Wolf of Wall Street? Well, I was on Code Blue Cam and there was a video kind of recently that reminded me of a scene from Wolf of Wall Street. If you go to Code Blue Cam's, if you go to their YouTube channel page, scroll down just a little bit. At the time of this video being recorded, it's the 6th newest one, and it's called The Lovely Effects of Alcohol, and this guy is wasted. 22-minute body cam footage. This guy is waxed. So what you'll notice is, and again, you'll have to have seen Wolf of Wall Street to really get it, but it's still worth watching, okay? So in this movie, Quaaludes are popular. Drug usage is popular in the movie. And we've got Jordan Belfort here and his buddy Donnie. They get their hands on a vintage bottle. I think they called them lemons. They're supposed to be super big hitters, right? Hard hitters, but they take them and they're kind of just messing around. They're working out, they're eating, drinking. They're not doing anything. Maybe they didn't drink, but they didn't do anything to them. So they took more. Well, eventually it catches up to them. And Leonardo DiCaprio, Jordan Belfort, turns into this after they hit him, okay? And he has to try to make it home. He has to drive his car home, make it home, and intervene with his buddy Donnie, who is equally messed up, and prevent him from doing more damage to them based on what's going on in the movie. And I won't spoil it for you if you haven't seen it, okay? So here's the scene. Here's part of the scene when Leo comes in as Jordan Belfort, waxed off of these lemons or these Quaaludes.
Jordan! Your daughter's in the house. I hope you know that.
He can't make sentences together. What's going on in his head is not what's coming out. And this poor guy just reminded me, he's walking, but he's also passed out, basically.
Just stay there. Where do you live?
Can I walk past my own truck?
Where do you live?
I'm saying this, I'm walking my goddamn truck. Alright then, that's what I'm saying about.
Where do you live?
Alright then.
So if you want to see a video of a guy who is out on his feet, that's a heck of a video to watch. I will link it in the description. Go ahead and just pop down to the description and you'll see it there. Interesting. Kind of sad to see somebody, he's got a wife and everything, you'll find out in that video, and he just can't control it, man. He binges. Kind of funny, kind of sad. What do you think? Do you know of any really good, body cam videos, some of your favorites or your favorite body cam channels? Go ahead and share those in the comments. My name's Ryan for Silly Reviews. Hit the like if you feel I deserved it, and I hope you have a great day. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.